Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to discuss a topic that is deeply painful and heart-wrenching. We're going to hear the story of a little girl who's been affected by the horrors of war. As difficult as it is, it's a story that needs to be told. Please be prepared, as the content we're about to discuss is distressing. Imagine for a moment that you are a young child, innocent and full of dreams. You wake up to the sounds of explosions, sirens, and the smell of fear in the air. This has become the daily reality for countless children living in war-torn regions. And today, we will hear from one such child.
My name is Sarah, and I'm only 8 years old. I want to tell you about what it's like living in a place where war is a constant presence. It's a place where my friends and I can't go to school, where we can't play outside, and where we can't sleep through the night without being jolted awake by the sounds of bombs.
Sarah, can you share some of the things you've experienced during this time?
The worst part is the fear. The fear of not knowing if we'll be safe, if our family will be okay. I've seen buildings crumble and heard people scream for help. I've lost friends and family. I've seen things no child should ever see.
Sarah, you've shown us some drawings that illustrate your experiences. Can you tell us about them?
I draw because it helps me express my feelings. In these drawings, you can see the dark clouds of war, people running from their homes, and children crying. But you can also see a small glimmer of hope. That's what keeps us going, even when it's so hard.
Sarah, your strength and resilience are truly inspiring. What would you like to say to the world, to people who may not fully understand the impact of war on children like you?
I want people to know that war hurts children the most. We just want to be safe, to go to school, to have a future. So please, let's work for peace, for a world where no child has to go through what I've been through. We deserve a chance at happiness.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sarah's story is a stark reminder of the devastating impact of war on the most vulnerable among us. It's a call to action, a plea for peace and understanding. Let's work together to create a world where children like Sarah can dream, learn, and grow without the specter of war haunting their every moment. Thank you for joining us today. Let's not forget Sarah's story. Let's be advocates for peace and make the world a safer place for every child. Please share this video to raise awareness of the devastating impact of war on innocent lives. Together, we can make a difference. Subscribe Motitalk channel for more inspired,